Sa akin po ang verse 15, kayo po ang magbasa ng 16, hanggang tayo ay makarating ng verse 24. Matthew 27, verse 15, Now at the feast, the governor was wont to release unto the people a prisoner, whom they would. Therefore, when they were gathered together, Pilate said unto them, Whom will ye that I release unto you? Barabbas, or Jesus, which is called Christ? When he was set down on the judgment seat, his wife sent unto him, saying, Have thou nothing to do with that just man? For I have suffered many things this day in a dream because of him. The governor answered and said unto them, Whether of the twain will ye that I release unto you? They said, Barabbas. And the governor said, Why? What evil hath he done? But they cried out the more, saying, Let him be crucified. Pilate saw that he would prevail nothing, but that rather a tumult was made. He took water and washed his hands before the multitude, saying, I am innocent of the blood of this just person. See ye.